So let's actually see this in action. So I'm going to show you how to use these constants, these class constants, when you're displaying them in your HTML page or when you're running your PHP script. So to actually use these, we can actually call them by the class name. I'll just use a syntax. I'll just say class constants or class constant syntax. And I'll just say class name followed by 2 semicolons and then the constant name. Or I'll just put constant name. Okay, so that will be the syntax. So I'll show you an example. So we can use our echo statement. So echo, then the class name is car or car underscore. You know what? Let me just do this. Sorry about that. So the car class name is car. So car followed by 2 semicolons, as we can see in our comment here for our syntax, and then the constant name. So I'll do car1. And that's pretty much all we need to do to display the value of a class constant. So again, we have the class name of that constant followed by 2 semicolon operators and the class constant name. So I'll put some readable text here. So I'll put class constant car1 value, and I'll concatenate it with that, and I'll put a break here. Okay, so I'll do that, and I'll just copy that line of code and do it for the next 3 or the next 2. So I'll take this and I'll do 2 and 3, makes it a lot easier. 2 and 3. And if we go to our PHP server, click refresh, look what happens. Sorry, my PHP engine is running kind of slow, but dun 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 dun. Look what we have. Class constant for car1 value, Honda Civic, and for car2, Chevy Blazer, and for 3, Ford Mustang 5.0. So again, if we go back here, we can look at all of our assigned values for our constants. And again, to display the values and use them, we just use, again, the class name, which is car, followed by 2 semicolons here, followed by the class constant name. Now, let's say, for example, if we wanted or tried to change the values or reassign them let's say a different value. So once we do that, we use our assignment operator, and let's see what happens. So let's assign it Honda Accord. Okay. And I'll just make another one as well, car2. And let's name this one, let's say Honda S2000. That's one of my favorite Hondas, Honda S2000. Very nice. It's a very nice sports car. So as we can see here, we're trying to assign a new value or new values to our class constants. So if we go back to our PHP engine or server, click refresh, look what happens. Syntax error, unexpected assignment operator, which means that we cannot reassign new values to our class constants. But congratulations, guys. I've shown you how to use the class constants and how to extract the values from them.